Types of memory. Meaning of memory. Memory is a storehouse, it stores information. This information is recollected. Memory in general is an ability to remember things that happened a short or long term ago. So, our mind has the power of retaining and reproducing the information. According to Wordsworth, four main elements involved in memory are learning, retention, recall, or recognition. Sensory memory contains all the information from the environment captured by the sense organs. Sensory memory includes several types such as iconic memory, the brief holding of visual data; echoic memory, the capacity to hold on to sound for a short time; haptic memory, that hold the information from your sense of feeling; olfactory memory, it stores information related to the sense of smell; gustatory memory, it stores information related to the sense of taste. Short term memory, a memory stores holds a limited amount of information for a relatively short period. After that, information will disappear unless it is rehearsed. Short term memory is also called working memory. Long term memory, putting information into long term memory. Long term memory refers to the process of storing almost unlimited amounts of information over long periods of time with the potential of retrieving or remembering such the information in the future. Long term memory, declarative memory of explicit memory, procedural memory of implicit memory. Declarative memory is a storehouse of factual information such as dates, names, facts, places, and past experience. Declarative memory has two types: episodic memory, semantic memory. Episodic memory are a type of explicit memory that relate to our own personal lives. Semantic memory account for our general knowledge of the world. Procedural memory, this memory contains memory of motor skills. Then photographic memory, logical memory, root memory, personal memory. When we recall personal experience, it is called personal memory. For example, what we do with our peer group, we remember that with individual experiences. Impersonal memory. The impersonal memory is the recollection of facts. For example, this kind of memory is certain laws or rules. Thank you.